Today we're going to discuss the Thor F-M1SDI-TR-ET TX-RX, Bidirectional SDI and Ethernet over Fiber. Bidirectional units send and receive SDI signals simultaneously. 10100 Fast Ethernet Extender. Unidirectional RS-485 control data. Green LED indicates SDI input signal lock. Red LED alarm, NOP no optical, indicates fiber disconnection. Supports single-mode fiber up to 20 kilometers. Optional upgrades include 3G HD-SDI, distances up to 120 kilometers, external analog audio, contact closure, RS-422 and RS-232. Setup is remarkably easy. Connect fiber, connect SDI, connect Ethernet, connect power. In our test environment, we will be using two Thor H-SDI PG pattern generators with a testing distance of 25 kilometers of single-mode fiber. SDI signal chain number 1 goes from pattern generator number 1 to the transmitter, to the fiber, to the receiver, to monitor number 2. SDI signal chain number 2 goes from the pattern generator number 2 to the receiver, to the fiber, to the transmitter, to monitor number 1. The Ethernet signal chain goes from the network switch to the receiver, to the fiber, to the transmitter, to the laptop. Visit our website at thorbroadcast.com and find the F-M1SDI-TR-ET TX-RX in the SDI fiber optic extenders and digital audio extenders section. Or scan the QR code here for a direct link. Thank you for watching.